I'm gonna just let that marinate right there. What's going on, BSG? So, as you can tell, as you've seen, we got us a new steering wheel. Yes, sir. It's for a 2015. It's a custom steering wheel that's for a 2000. Sorry about that. Custom steering wheel that's for a 2015 to go on our 2009. Now, I'm gonna take you through a couple of scenarios that we're gonna do, but we're gonna have to go in the house and do those. We'll start taking this stuff apart. Well, once we start building that steering wheel back together. So, what I need to do here though is that I need to get this airbag out and get the steering wheel off. But the first thing that I need to do is, which I've already done, is disconnect the negative side of the battery. And I've already done that. So, giving it a little time for the energy in the vehicle to go down, so that we don't have no mistakes with this airbag, so that it don't pop. Now, for this vehicle here, for the 2009, there is a round, put y'all right here, there's a round dot right here that you need to push in on both sides to pop this airbag out. On this steering wheel here, I don't know if you can see that. See, right here, it's got like a slot for a screwdriver, so that's gonna be different. Man, I tell you, boy, when we get this steering wheel in here, but that's gonna be so let's get started, man. Got me a little Allen wrench. See if we can put it in here and pop these things here. There's a thing you need to find. Gotta find it. Which I'm not hitting it, but we're gonna get it. I gotta get this thing here off of here. Let's see about this side here. Okay, airbag is out. So our next thing is to get these pieces here out. So these. This thing ain't acting right today. Alright, so these little clips right here, we need to pull up on those. Okay, let's see if I can do this with holding the camera. Wish I had my headset on. So you grab a little pick that I got right here, pull that up, and then it should release it. Make sure we all the way up. It's supposed to come out. Oh boy. We need both hands here. So we got them out. And we got one more thing we need to get out. And that's this piece right here. Pull up on that, and then we should be able to pull this straight out. Let's move this around a little bit. Where's my pick at again? I can't see worth a damn down in there. So I'll use a 13/16 socket to take it out. I need both hands for this one, y'all. So let me put y'all right there. Now, what I want to do, I don't want to take this all the way off because I'm only going to take it all the way off to, well, I'm going to take it all the way off. Okay. Now I need to find out where I'm getting the net popped off too. Okay. Now, I'm going to screw this back on. Just a little bit. Because I don't want to snatch no wire, so we are going to check it side to side. There we go. Alright, so that's up. So let's take this nut back off. Put it right there. Slide this out of there. There we go. You don't want nothing to happen with that clock spring. Alright, so let me grab these here. Put it down in there. So we don't lose nothing. There we go. All right, so since we added y'all right here, why don't we down get us a quick look at what part of the product, the finished product, will look like. Let's take it through there like that. I think that's gonna look good, y'all. I really do. But let's get in the house and finish up what we're doing. Alright guys, so we got it off. This is our steering wheel right here that we got off, which is our 2009. This one is the new one that we're putting in. And this one is a 2015. Now, this steering wheel here is for a 2015 to 2020. Now, I'm gonna take these controllers here and I'm hoping that they match up and plug into these, which shouldn't be a problem. The biggest thing we need to make sure that works, that lines up, is this one right here. That one has to be the same. We need to make sure that is what it is. And I believe that's what it is. I see some differences here, but I might be able to do something with it. Let me see here. Okay. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I got here 1, 2, 3, 4. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or is it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7? The same. Well, we're gonna plug it in and see what we get. Yes, sir. Yes, that's what we're gonna do. We'll plug it in and see what we get. Now, if by chance it don't work, then we're gonna take the airbag back off and rework these wires here if we have to do that. That's what we're gonna do. All right, so as you can see, we a little bit different than we are here. Okay? So, I need to get these plastics and the back here off to go into this here, along with the backs back here. Okay? So, if I'm mistaken, these plastics just pull up. But I am mistaken, because they don't. They are put down here with Allen's. So, pull out my Allen key. All right, guys. So, while you guys were on a break, I decided to take everything out of this 2009. Why? Because I am going to need this wiring here, which I'm gonna remove these pins out of here and replace them. Well, not replace them, but I need this piece here and put it on this one here. And but I need to know where what goes, so I'm gonna do that later. But right now we're going to remove this nice steering wheel. Nice one. It's like it's a brown leather, but I don't care about that. What I need to do is I need to take this bolt here out, that one out, and that one out. And these should just lift right out. All right, so let us do that. And then we will get on to the next business at hand, okay? So I'm gonna put this over here, move this over here, and move this stuff here. Now, I am not going to get to putting doing this plug in this video, but I will get to it when I go to replace the dash, which I found me a dash, y'all. So that's going to be coming. So if I understand it correctly, these here pop out. Okay. All right, guys. So I pulled this out the back, and there's a torque tip in there. Or a torque screw that's in there. Unscrewed that. Now the next thing we gotta do in order to fish this wire harness out of here. So you pull this back like this. Let me make sure you guys can see what's going on here. And here on this piece here is a little clip that I need to figure out how to pull out. I don't have a, what you call it, oh my goodness. Gotta push that down. Let me go get my screwdriver. All right, so gotta push this piece down and push it out. There we go. Okay, so this one here is going to be on the left hand side, and do the same thing for this one here. Okay, so it's red over here, and they have the corresponding. So as you can see, I don't see that too good. can see right there, it's red. That piece is red, so you can't mix these buttons up. Also, this one here says right there. There's a little indentation, it's a R that says right, but that's what that means. It means right. All right. Pull that out. This is for the right side. All right, now this piece comes out there, then you slide this piece here, bring it in there. Gotta fish this piece back up through here. There we go. Then we pry up on this piece right here, like that. Wiggle it back and forth. Push this up through there. Okay. And we unroute that like that. And here we go. So now I'm just gonna lay this right over here right quick. And then, so we're gonna reset up here. Okay, let me put you right there. Bring you over here. Now, so this thing here fishes around here. So it goes like this. There you go. And this one here goes around here. Make sure we turn it the right direction. There. Down like that. As a matter of fact, what I'm gonna do, I'm going to doggone screw these back down. Or should I wait? No, I'm gonna wait. Let me push this piece through here. Okay, so we're gonna have to open that up. Oh, let me see if I can use this. There we go. All right. There we go. This side here. I want to do that. There we go. Now, on the back of these right here, there's like a little guide pin that goes right into this hole. Goes up a little higher than that. That goes there, and that one goes there. Hold on, now I'm feeling some type of way. This shit ain't lining up like it's supposed to. Look like. Did they do that backwards? This is not lining up like it should. Let me see something right quick. I'm gonna see something right quick. See something right quick. Nope. That is not right. That's the wrong side. All right, so I am feeling some type of way right now. This here is not lining up like it's supposed to. Not at all. Not at fucking all. So we're gonna freeze this right here, y'all. I gotta talk to somebody and find out what's going on. So guys, so today it was a partial fail. And the reason why I say partial is because this steering wheel here, we're not gonna put in right now because the 2015 pieces don't fit here. And I'm waiting for the vendor to call me, well, to send me a message back of what we're gonna do next on this deal here. So I went on and I fixed the plug on here to fit back into my deal, and everything should work out correctly. Rewired and taped everything back up, so we should be good. Right here is our airbag that we need to square away. I'm not going to connect that. What I'm going to do is get me a wiring diagram and figure out exactly which one goes where. So I have to make sure that right, because I don't want to be riding around and all of a sudden the airbag go off my face. So, and these here should work because of the way it was set up on the other plug. Everything should work. We had the same number of wires. I looked at it and I went with what made sense. Okay, if that makes any sense. I'm not I don't want to be coming on here and doing stuff now all of a sudden show you that the product is done and there was no mistakes made, because I'm not going to do that. So we got this. We did two things today. We learned something, and we still upgraded our steering wheel. Excuse me. I'm not saying that steering wheel is not going to go in, because that steering wheel is going to go in. I still have to take that dash out and put in the new dash I have, which I'm going to show y'all before this video is over with. All right, so let's make it out to the truck, put the steering wheel in, and I'm going to show y'all that other dash. Okay, so let's get the steering wheel on. So get our things, put them up to there, which we'll take care of later on. In there. Should be good. Should have to kill it. Then airbag, which we're not hooking up just yet. We're gonna do that a little bit later. There we go. Look at that, y'all. I like this look. Well, I might stay with this look. I don't know. I have to check and see, man, because the vendor got back to me. They said I got the bent legs. Well, I need bent legs. I got the short legs. So they checking to see if they got those long legs for me, and we'll just have to go from there. But you know, it is what it is. I didn't pay close attention to what I was buying. Just luckily I ended up buying this 2015 steering wheel to fit that steering wheel, the controls to fit that steering wheel, but it didn't work out. But it's working out here. So next thing I need to do is hook up the battery, and then we'll get down to business here with looking at that dashboard. All right, guys. So let's open this up. I ain't seen it, so you're gonna see it the same time I see it. Well, there it is. I already knew that was missing. I already ordered replacement ones for it already. It's a little dusty, but we can fix that. Yep. Boy, this is gonna be a major upgrade too. So, y'all see it? We're gonna get to it. I don't know when yet, but we're gonna get to it. Appreciate y'all tuning in, checking out my videos. Appreciate all the new subscribers, and just going in this video. But we're gonna catch y'all on the next one. So peace.